So I've just received this package from Jingle Mining. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm expecting. They've said it's a new solo miner that they've introduced their lineup. So we'll give it an open and do an unboxing today and have a look at it. There you are. It seems to be packaged really well. So let's see what we're expecting today. Doesn't say much on the package. Here we go. It's the Jingle Miner BTC Solo Lite 1.2T. So that might be there we go. 1.2 terahashes, 25 watt power consumption. We'll have a look at that and just see if it is exactly what they say, because that seems very similar to the BitAxe Gamma 601. There we are. So that's what it looks like. I'll do a comparison in a few moments of this compared to the BitAxe Gamma. So we've got firstly a power supply. That's pretty good. So it's one of those ones which you can choose your own output on, because I've seen a few other companies where they just give you the American style one. Let's see if there we go. This is the one we need for here. But yeah, I've seen a few companies, they just do the American style one, so you need the adapters. So even though they work, you do generally need an adapter for it, which can be a little annoying, but hey, look, it's still not too bad. So power consumption on this, make sure the voltages. So 5 volt power, 5 amps, and up to 25 watts. And it is a multi-voltage one, 100 to 240 volts. So it will work pretty much anywhere that uses those voltage ranges. There we go, clips on there all right. Now let's look at the miner itself. What's this firstly? This looks to be an antenna, so I'll give that a check, just see what it looks like. So as I said, Jingle Mining have sent me this one just to give it a quick demonstration, an unboxing, and in some later videos we'll do some troubleshooting and some setups. It actually looks pretty good. Nice metal casing. This must be where the antenna goes, so we'll just screw that on quickly. There we go, that actually looks quite nice. Very different from the bare bones style of the BitAxe Gamma. I have a BitAxe Gamma just here. I imagine it would be similar, but different fan design, probably different size screen. So the screen looks a bit bigger. As you can see, metal construction, so this might keep cooler. Potentially the metal might dissipate a bit more heat. But it actually looks quite nice. So what we'll do is we'll see what else come in the box, and then we'll just give it a quick turn on. There we go. Little brochure, Jingle Miner. It's a nice little guide. So it's a nice, good quality guide, which seems to show how to set it all up. But as I said, we'll do a video later on how this all sets up and how to get it running and mining some Bitcoins. Well, I guess there's a bit of time to turn it on and just see what it looks like. So what I can see is it's got the it's got a USB-C connection. Potentially it can run through there. I haven't read enough to see if you can power it through there as well, but what we'll do for the moment is we'll just run it through here. Plugs in all right. Just run this cable. Oh, everything's falling. Just run this cable to the power supply. There we go, so that's plugged in. There you go. So it does seem very similar to the BitAxe Gamma in the way that the fan sounds. But nice large display. I believe it's all set up through here, so at some stage I'll read through the manual and I'll give it a setup, and we'll see how good it runs. Now they have given me some discount codes, so if you have a look in the description, you'll find a discount code for this one down there. Is an affiliate link, so if you do buy something, we get a small kickback here for it, but you'll be definitely supporting the channel and saving yourself a little bit of money if you decide to get one of these. But that's it for today's video. Just before we go, I'll just show you how many watts is using power-wise. So, not mining, it's using about 5.8 watts. I'll just see if this connection is the same one that fits the BitX Gamma. So I'll just unplug that for the minute. Now the BitX Gamma is already set up, so it may show a few more watts just because it would be hashing and mining. There you go. Yep, so as you can see, that one's growing. So this one's already set up, so obviously, as you can see, it will use more power. But in the next videos, we'll set up the miner, and we'll see how much power it actually uses while mining. Maybe we'll even do a comparison between this and the BitX Gamma 601 and just see how each of them roll. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching.